Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to initiate the exit of an existing employee within the employee directory of KEBS. Once the user navigates to the employee directory, the user can click on the Quick Actions option. From the drop-down, the user needs to select the Initiate Exit option. The Initiate Exit form appears. Now, the user needs to enter either the name or the ID of the employee to be resignated or exited. If the employee is already retired, the corresponding message is displayed. Once the associate name has been entered, the corresponding sections are displayed. Here, the reason for exit of the employee can be specified. The current organization details before the exit can be specified here or changed as well. Once all the necessary changes have been made and all mandatory fields are filled, the exit can be initiated by clicking on the Initiate Exit button. And the Initiate Exit process has been done successfully. Thank you for watching.